Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Hytale error when creating a world. Make sure to watch this video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, if you are playing the game, you're trying to create a new world, but then you get this error right here, failed to connect to server, then don't worry. All you have to do, as a first solution, is to click on your time right here. Once you see your time, you're going to right click, and then from here you're going to go to adjust date/time. Now from here, all you have to do is to find this button that says synchronize your clock and make sure that you click the button that says sync now. Once that is done, you're going to exit it and go back to your game. Try to create a new world now. If you still have an issue ongoing, go to your settings right here, and then from here you can see general. Once you see general, you will see language, and then you're going to click on use system language and then make sure to switch it to English. Once switched to English, click on Save Changes. Now, there you go. All you have to do is now create a new world, and it should be easy nonetheless. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.